Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here. We're taking a look at question number 10. It's a little tricky. It says, look at the expression below, and they give you this. What is the value of the expression when A is 18 and B is 14? So my recommendation is write the expression down on your piece of paper, and then we'll substitute in the values for 18 and 14 where appropriate. All right, so I'm going to write half, and then for A, we're substituting in an 18, and for B, we're substituting in 14. And then again for A is 18, B is 14, and then we have to square it. All right, so a couple reminders. We have a few things that we could do that might make this a little bit easier, but you've seen the whole idea of do the stuff in the parentheses first. So if we do that, 18 plus 14, if you can't do it in your head, you would do the algorithm off to the side. 8 plus 4 is 12, and then over here you get the 32. All right, so we have 32 for the sum of 18 plus 14, and then if we subtract 18 minus 14, you can't do it in your head, you would set up the algorithm, you would get 4. So this is really 4, and then remember we have to square that. All right, so if we think about our please excuse my dear Aunt Sally checkoff list, we had done the stuff inside the parentheses first, and we got this and we got this. Now we have to look for exponents. Now I see an exponent right here, so let's deal with that. We're going to do this chunk next. 4 squared doesn't mean 4 times 2, it means 4 times 4, which would be 16. So I'm going to write the 16, and then we have to write everything that's left. So that's half times 32 minus 16. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to look for multiply and divide whatever comes first from left to right. So in this case, that would be this. We're taking half of 32, which remember is the same thing as 32 divided by 2. All right, that's going to go in once. Bring down the 2. That's going to go in 6 times. All right, so half of 32 is 16. So you're just going to finish it up. I'm going to bring down this minus 16, finish it up by doing 16 minus 16, and then you'll be all done with this question.